You'll rue the day that you encourage this. It's going to get in his eyes. He's going to have trouble. We're going to end up having to clean his eye. No.
Jim, leave the towel. The mother says it's fine.
Dad, he's exploring. He'll learn. He'll learn. It's not fun to get sand in his eyes.
Yeah, right. And you have to take him to emergency to get it out. I'm out of here. I'll see you later. I'm going to go I would never let it get me. Because I'm angry.
If they want to play with stuff, I let them as long as it's not dangerous. What are you doing?
Maybe touch the black ones instead of the gray one.